I'm joining in with two of my awesome friends, Crazy But Not Dangerous and My Little Rural Homestead. We get together every Friday and share what we buy at the grocery store, prepping our pantries and making sure we have emergency food. It's an open collab. Anyone can join in any Friday, anytime. It's fine. And I'm going to share with you what I got this week at the grocery store. I was sort of surprised that Hostess had a couple new packages of little cakes, and I bought one of each to see if we liked them, and I'll have a review on them later in the week. I also stocked up and got 2 strawberry, orange, and banana punches for my husband and 2 raspberries. That'll be enough probably for a couple of weeks. I got some other punch for the little great-grandbabies when they come over. The kind you just stick a little straw in, they can go outside, not make a big mess and have to worry about something getting dropped or broke. They are great for little children, and I do love them because they just come over every few weeks, and we have so much fun with them. They had the honey barbecue chips on sale this week, so I bought 4 of them because if you bought 4, you got a cheaper price. So that was a pretty good buy also, because you know Grandma's always looking for some good buys because everything is getting so expensive. And I also got some ragu sauce for Alfredo, we can have chicken Alfredo this week, and that'll make probably 2 or 3 meals off of that. And I got a new package of bow tie pasta to put in it. It's my favorite. I got only 5 containers of dog food for Mr. Buddy because that's all they had. They're always running short on the dog food ever since COVID started, and I'm going to have to learn how to make some dog food for my dog because I can't be worried about getting dog food every day to my dog, something fresh and good. And I don't want to be feeding him a bunch of dry stuff, even though I know it's supposed to be so great for them. I also bought a half a pound of ground beef. I bought a pound of ground beef and 1 chicken breast. That'll be enough meat for the whole week. Maybe we won't even eat all of it. The chicken breast will be going for the chicken Alfredo, and usually I can make 2 different meals from that because those chicken breasts are pretty big and they stretch out really great, and you can't beat the price, $2.19. I was trying to look for some more bargains, and I thought I'd get brave and got some more store brands, Sloppy Joe mix, taco, and chili. I have never used this. I will give you a review on it also. We're going to use the taco this week and make some tacos. And the chili and the Sloppy Joes will be probably another week or 2. But I just want to start giving you more ideas on how to make something that's inexpensive and tastes really good. Because, you know, I do $5 meals, so I got to get it going on it. Now, these here were 5 burritos for $2.50 for my husband's lunches. Can't beat that also on a price. And he likes them just fine, so I bought 5 of them. So that should be enough for a couple of weeks. I got some corn tortillas. For the tacos, and we're going to have tostadas with that, so that'll be a couple of meals. And then I got a couple cans of tomato soup for my husband for lunch. He may not eat both this week. We might have to put some back. I got 1 loaf of Wonder Bread, because that's what we do every week. I got garlic bread with the 5 cheeses, a little bit more, but I love the taste, and we both enjoy it. And I did get some fresh veggies, for we could have something besides just frozen. And as you can see, I'll be doing some videos on the veggies too. My husband likes the garden blend, even though I'm growing lettuce in my garden, but he doesn't like my lettuce. And I only bought 3 pieces of fruit because we still have quite a bit left from last week that are still good. I was shocked to see how much beef bologna has went up to. It was $8, $7.99. Yeah, almost a heart attack on that one. We're going to have to go and cut down to maybe every 6 weeks or when it's on sale. Because that is like went up $2, in the last maybe 5 months for one item. And, of course, we have cucumbers, and I got some baby chok choy. I don't know if I've ever had it. I thought I would give it a try. See if I like it. I'm going to cook it. If I like it, I'm going to try to grow it. If I don't like it, oh well. I didn't invest a lot of money in it. You just have to try things, and I don't want to grow something without knowing I really am going to eat it. So this is what I bought this week at the grocery store. This will be enough food for us to eat comfortably and have plenty to eat for 7 days, and we will still have some of this stuff going into our emergency fund for a later date because we always try to buy something ahead. Now, I went to Stater Brothers to buy my groceries this week, and I'm allowing myself $150 a week for groceries. That does not mean I have to spend $150. $150 is the max I'm allowing myself. This week, I know you're not going to believe it, I got it down to about $95, and so I had $54 left, and I've decided what I'm going to do with all my extra money when I go under budget on anything that I'm budgeting money out for. I'm putting it in my dental fund to pay to get my 2 front teeth. Well, I have 2 teeth that need to be fixed. So I'm going to start doing that because I want to try to get it done this year. So I'm going to throw as much money as I can at my dental fund, but I just wanted to share with you what I did and what I was able to accomplish. And I think if I start encouraging myself to know if you want to get those teeth fixed, you need to learn how to cut down on what you're spending. And so that's what I'm going to try to do. We're going to see if I can get my grocery bill around 100 or even a little less. We'll see. This week I did really good. I had $45 left or $44 left to put in my dental fund. I was so proud of myself. I did get a few things on special. It said I saved $12.50. I did buy some store brands also, and I'm sure that's another $5 or $10 I saved. And I'm sure if I would go to some different grocery stores, I could even get better buys. But I am just so overtired trying to get everything done. And on top of it, I have one of my legs getting really bad, and I'm probably going to have another knee replacement. So we're going to just wait and see what happens. But we're going to do the best we can and live the best life we can for the smallest amount of money, but we got to have quality.